God, you know where I am? I'm at Tess Trivandrum. Oh, it's the same place where I took coaching in 2019. Oh man, it's the same. I can still feel the vibes when man used to teach in the class. I've been a student here of Tess in 2019 offline batch, and then I also became a student of online batch for Karnataka Assistant Professor exam. And now I heard that Kalyani ma'am is starting yet another offline batch after COVID pandemic, and I really wanted to meet her after. I'm coming here after 3 long years. I have also come here to take some of the books from Bodhi Tree, and the previous materials I should and must mention, they are just amazing. And about the offline class that we had about assistant professor exam, I have a whole shelf of material that ma'am gave just for 4,000 rupees, and now I feel offline classes will be just amazing. I just want to meet ma'am. I'm so eager about it. My God, I can still feel the vibes. Yes. Oh my God, see how are you? So nice to see you.
Same here.
Chalo, let's meet ma'am.
Yeah.